David Roth is a contemporary American folk singer, songwriter, and poet known for his emotional and meaningful works. His writing often highlights values like kindness, empathy, and human connection. His famous piece, 9 Gold Medals, is inspired by a real incident from the Special Olympics. In the poem, 9 athletes take part in a race. When one runner falls, the others stop and help him instead of continuing. All 9 then walk together to the finish line, showing that compassion is more important than winning. The dream and preparation. The poem begins by introducing 9 athletes who have come from different parts of the world to participate in a running race. They have trained for many months with great dedication. Their aim is clear: to win a medal and prove their ability. The atmosphere is filled with excitement and hope. The setting of the race. Now the focus shifts to the stadium. It is an old field filled with eager spectators who have gathered to watch the final event. The crowd is excited, and there is a sense of anticipation in the air. Everyone is waiting for the race to begin. The moment before the start. The athletes take their positions at the starting line. They are tense but ready, completely focused on the race. The phrase, "poised for the sound of the gun," shows their readiness and the suspense just before the race begins. The race begins and the fall. The starting gun fires, and the race begins. All the runners dash forward. Suddenly, the smallest runner stumbles, loses balance, and falls down. This moment changes everything. The pain and disappointment. The fallen runner is filled with pain and frustration. He had trained hard, and now all his hopes seem lost. He cries out in anguish, feeling defeated and helpless. The poet emphasizes the emotional impact of this moment. A beautiful turning point. Instead of continuing the race, the other 8 runners stop. They turn back and go to help the fallen boy. They forget about winning and choose kindness over competition. This is the most important moment of the poem, showing true humanity. A different kind of victory. All 9 runners join hands and walk together towards the finish line. The race is no longer about speed or victory, but about compassion and unity. The banner Special Olympics now carries a deeper meaning. It celebrates the spirit of humanity. The true meaning of winning. The race ends with all 9 athletes smiling, their faces shining with happiness. The crowd gives them a standing ovation. Their act of kindness speaks louder than words. Though no one won individually, all of them earned 9 gold medals for their compassion and brotherhood. This poem teaches us that life is not just about winning. True success lies in helping others, showing kindness, and standing together as human beings.